आज हम एक ऐसे अभिनेत्री के बारे में बात करने जा रहे हैं जो 2 दशकों से अपनी अदाकारी के जादू से लोगों को दीवाना बनाती चली आ रही है। जी हाँ, हम आज बात करने वाले हैं द वन एंड ओनली श्वेता तिवारी के बारे में। श्वेता तिवारी ने अपने करियर की उड़ान एकता कपूर के शो कसौटी जिंदगी के से शुरू की थी, where she played the female lead प्रेरणा शर्मा। Post that, she went on to do a number of TV shows including Big Boss 4 where she emerged as the winner. उनके सफर की शुरुआत से ही वो कईयों की प्रेरणा स्रोत बन चुकी थी। Her acting chops and perfectly desi looks have gotten much attention over the years. What many don't know and acknowledge is what Shweta has battled in her personal life through the years and how she has always managed to come out of it with grace and strength. श्वेता एक हिम्मत वाली, बेबाक और साहसी औरत हैं। When Shweta divorced Raja Chaudhary in 2012, she had no qualms in admitting that she was extremely happy about the separation. In a conversation with a leading daily just an hour after the news became official, she said, "I have been through hell. Today I am really happy as I have finally got divorced. I wish to speak my mind. Nothing like the typical submissive bahu she is often played on TV. Shweta's ability to break free from something that was not making her happy is commendable." श्वेता ने आगे बताते हुए कहा, "I must tell you all, it's been 7 years of marriage followed by 6 years of fighting for divorce. So it was 13-14 years of vanvas, which I have finally come out from. Even after getting separated after 7 years of marital bondage with Raja, the following 6 years have been full of same ruckus as he would still haunt me, trouble me totally. He was never out of my life. So I was really desperate to get divorced to keep him away from my life." Honest, real and relatable to every modern woman who just don't settle for anything, right? एक अकेली माँ होने पर भी श्वेता का साहस कभी डगमगाता नहीं नजर आया। Shweta and Raja have a daughter together who is now grown up into a very beautiful young lady and is ready to follow in her mother's footsteps. Back when the duo separated, she was only 12. In a country where divorce is still a taboo, especially if it's the woman filing for it, Shweta dared to talk out, believing that if anything she was only doing is good for पलक। एक बातचीत के दौरान श्वेता ने बताया कि पलक ने किस तरह से हमारे सेपरेशन को हैंडल किया। उनके शब्द थे, "Palak has witnessed atrocities doled out to me by her father. He has beaten me up and harassed me many times in front of her. But she always had a hope that her father loved her as she would watch Raja on television, making all the false claims about me not letting him meet his daughter and how much he loved her." आगे बताते हुए उन्होंने कहा, "During the divorce proceedings, we made him 2 offers. Either take a house which would be co-owned by our daughter Palak, or to take the sole ownership rights of a house and stay away from Palak. He immediately lapped up the latter one. He wanted to take one house to go away from our lives, and I bought peace for my daughter and myself at this cost." Raja proved that all that was humbug by preferring a property over his daughter. Palak will have to come to terms with this sad reality. Our separation is only going to do her good. श्वेता को दोबारा प्यार करने के लिए दिल में डर बैठ गया था। Finding the courage to love again after your first marriage ends badly is not easy. Shweta, however, proved that she is a believer in possibilities and new beginnings. When she declared she was ready to give romance and companionship another shot, she said, "When I got married to Raja in 1999, I was 19 years old. I was too young to understand that he was not the right guy for me. Your husband should be able to respect you. He cannot be financially dependent on his wife. I just thought you only need to like a person to marry him," which was quite naive. श्वेता ने बताया, "I see a good partner in Abhinav Kohli, but I need to take some time as I am just out of a harrowing marriage. I am just divorced and wish to enjoy my single status." श्वेता की मुलाकात अभिनव कोहली से जाने क्या बात हुई के सेट्स पर हुई। where the two seemed to get along like a house on fire. He not only became her pillar of strength but also seemed like the light at the end of the tunnel. The two tied the knot in 2013 and had a baby boy named Riyansh in 2016. श्वेता की बेटी हमेशा से उसकी प्रायोरिटी रही है. For those who call out women for falling in love after divorce and deem the outcome of that to be negligence towards a child, Shweta's journey and decisions have proven this to be false. Unfortunately, Shweta had to witness domestic violence with Kohli too, who she alleges misbehaved with her daughter Palak as well. Without blinking an eyelid, Shweta headed to the police station and filed a case against Abhinav Kohli. एक लीडिंग पोर्टल की रिपोर्ट की माने तो Shweta had been facing several setbacks in her marriage, but after Abhinav apparently slapped Palak under the influence of alcohol, it crossed her threshold of tolerance and she headed straight to the cops. While netizens unleashed the wrath on Shweta, calling her everything from a gold digger to a cheap woman, Palak's timely response shut everyone up. Palak took to social media supporting her mother. She wrote, "As a reader of the news, it's often easy to forget that you do not know the truth of what goes on behind closed doors or how much fortitude my mother has shown in both her marriages." आगे ये भी बताया, "Many of you fortunately haven't even dealt with something of such heinous proportions and hence you have no right to comment, discuss or paint someone else's image through your biased, misinformed views. It's beyond disgusting and it's time that I stand up for my mother, who she is the strongest person I know, and since out of all of us I am only person who has witnessed a struggle day in and day out, my opinion is only one that matters." Well, as it is clear, Shweta is a strong, inspirational woman and thankfully the antithesis of the malleable female characters that were often shown on Indian television. हम आशा करते हैं कि श्वेता इसी तरह प्रगति की सारी ऊंचाइयां छूती जाए, कभी ना रुके, बस चलती जाए। आपकी इस वीडियो के बारे में क्या राय है? लिंक भेजिए हमें कमेंट सेक्शंस में। इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। मनोरंजन जगत की सारी न्यूज और अपडेट से जुड़े रहने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें टेली चक्कर को।
All about the Tele world by subscribing to Tele Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.